how's it going? So today we are going over Leetcode's 2028 question odd even linked list. Given a single linked list, group all odd nodes together followed by the even nodes. Please note that we are talking about the nodes number and not the value in the nodes. We should try to do it in place. The program should run one space complexity and O nodes time complexity. So if our input is like this, you can see that the output is like this. Is because so you can see the first node is considered odd, the second node is considered even, and so on and so forth. So you can try to imagine this is the first node, second node, third node, fourth node, fifth node, sixth node, seventh node. So basically we put 1, 3, 5, 7, and all the odd nodes, odd places nodes into the first few nodes, followed by all the even place nodes, right? So basically you can imagine that it's like index 1 base instead of index 0 base. So 1, 3, 5, 7, all at the front, followed by the all even places numbers, right? Our solution is also based on the idea. Basically, we can create a even linked list, putting all the even nodes inside of the linked list, and we can create an odd linked list and put all the odd index place nodes in that list. And at the end, we just have to add our even linked list behind our odd linked list, right? So yeah, that idea is like that. So yeah, this is our example, and later we'll use that. But first, let's just write the corner case where our given linked list is an empty one. So by the way, if head is none is the same as if head is none, but in Python you can write it both ways. So if head is none, return none. And if head is not none, then we can create our odd list, and it's at the head. So yeah, let me just write it here. Our odd is right here, right? This is our first odd, and our head is given is also here. So our even is at this place, right? So our even is actually head.next. Yeah, our head is here. So our even is head.next. And we also have to create a pointer pointing to this one. That's because remember at the end we have to add our even linked list behind the odd linked list. So we have to know the head of the even linked list in order to add it, right? So the even head is always here. Even head is equal to even. So it will never be changed. It's always here. And we write our while loop to traverse our list. So while even is none, and even dot next is not none. So our odd is right here, right? So you can see that in our node, each node has a next pointer. So our odds next, this pointer is actually pointing to this number, right? So this number is actually even dot next, right? So it's actually even dot next is the number, right? So and in order for our odd really going from here to here, we have to add odd equals odd.next. Because this statement only says that our odds pointing to this one, but in order to really have our odd traversing to going to the this position, we have to say odd equal odd.next. After we handle our odds, then let's handle our even. So even.next. Even.next is our odd.next right now. Right? Our even.next is our odd next, right? Yeah, so, and in order for us to come from 2 to 4, we have to say even equal even.next.